Discovery TV star and Gold Rush favorite Dakota Fred Hurt has died. He was 80. News of Hurt's death was announced by his family in a statement posted to his Facebook page Tuesday. Dakota Fred Hurt passed away this morning surrounded by family. He fought courageously in his battle against cancer. Fred touched many lives and was loved and supported by many. The message read, paying tribute to the celebrities who have died in 2023, reflecting on the passion he had for his career that rose to new heights after appearing in Gold Rush's debut season. His family added, if you feel inclined to donate on Fred's behalf, please consider donating to the Mike Rowe Works Foundation in Fred's honor. Having worked in skilled labor for the majority of his career, Fred was passionate about teaching others these valuable skills.